Apple has officially unleashed tvOS 26, a game-changing update that transforms your Apple TV into a visual and entertainment powerhouse. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Of course, we'll start with Liquid Glass, a stunning new design language that breathes life into the interface with floating 3D menus, translucent panels, and soft, rounded edges. It's sleek, it's cinematic, and it's unlike anything we've seen on Apple TV before. Navigating your favorite shows now feels like browsing a living movie poster gallery as bold artwork takes center stage, making exploration so irresistibly beautiful. Switching profiles and logging into apps has also been streamlined, so you can dive into your personalized content with ease. But that's just beginning. The star of the show is Apple Music Sing, which turns your living room into a full-on karaoke party. Grab your iPhone, cue your favorite tracks, and compete with friends. And it also has emoji reactions flying across the screen in real time. If we talk about accessibility, Live Captions now supports real-time translation in Spanish, French, and German, so international content is in too. FaceTime also gets a glow up, featuring contact posters for more personal touch. And when you're not watching anything, it'll show you new customizable screensavers. With all these new features, tvOS 26 isn't just an update, it's a sneak peek of what the future of television will look like. Did you like this new update? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.